So here we have two sets A and B. We need to find out the Cartesian product of A and B as well as B and A. Okay, let us begin. So here let's first try to find out the Cartesian product of A and B. The Cartesian product of A and B means we have the set A containing the elements 1 and 2. So we are going to form a Cartesian product with the set B containing the elements 1, 3. So what we'll have to do here is we'll have to pick up the first element of set A, which is 1, and we're going to form an ordered pair with each of the two elements of the second set, which is B. That means we have 1, 1, and the next ordered pair is going to be 1, 3. Next, we are going to pick up the second element of set A, which is 2 here, and we're going to form an ordered pair with each of the two elements of set B. So that gives us 2, 1 and 2, 3. Okay, so this is going to be the Cartesian product of the set A and B. Next, we will try to find out the Cartesian product of the set B and A. So first, we will consider the elements of set B. So those are 1 and 3, and we're going to form a Cartesian product with the set A containing the elements 1 and 2. Now what we'll do, we're going to pick up the first element of the set B, which is 1, and we're going to form a Cartesian we're going to form an ordered pair with each of the two elements of set A. So we're going to get 1, 1, and then we're going to get 1, 2. Okay, next what we'll do, we'll take the second element, which is 3, and form an ordered pair with each of the two elements of the second set A. So we're going to get 3, 1, and we're going to get 3, 2. Fine. Okay, so this is how we can obtain the Cartesian product of set A and B and the Cartesian product of set B and A.